Hi, welcome back to another vlog. It's a very weird voice. Sorry, please excuse me today because I've almost lost my voice. There's an update that I want to give you all, and that is it is suddenly raining in Bangalore. It was so hot for so many days, I think for almost a month straight. It was touching 34 degrees easily during the days, and so the sun was very hot. Okay, मतलब ऐसे चटका लगता है हाथ पे when I go outside. But Bangalore being Bangalore today, I did read it a few days ago कि forecast था it would rain, but I was like, let's see, it's so hot, अगर बारिश हो गई so it's good enough. If it doesn't happen तो फिर चल रही है चीज़ें. But that being said, suddenly today it's a Saturday, and suddenly the climate changed. It started raining heavily, and me being me, I wanted to go out. So once it slightly stopped raining, I went outside, and of course बारिश हो रही थी तो भीगना तो बनता था. भीग गई, अब आवाज़ चली गई. So I have to deal with that. But let me take you with me, not as to what I will be doing from now, but we'll go back as to what I did today, and let's go. are a lot of cafes in HSR. One such is Godavari Cafe. I've tried pav bhaji from this place and it's delicious. It's so good. Today I want to tell you guys about a place that I often visit, and which is in HSR layout. This place is called Asha Tiffins. When I first heard this name, I thought tiffin system hoga or kaise to khana hoga, but turns out it's actually quite good. And in terms of price point, they have most of the things are below 100 rupees, and it's very tasty, it's very hygienic, and you will always see, it's such a good place that you will always see people coming there. It's मतलब हमेशा ही वहाँ भीड़ होती है, and that's something that I really like because I like to see crowd around me. So today I got my dinner from there, मतलब Saturday night, so I just got sandwich from there. But let me show it to you. Acha, by the way, their packing is also quite good. They will properly pack and give it to you, so that another very important thing that I noted is when they are packing, they are wearing gloves, so they don't even touch your food while packing, which is one of the best part. And that's how they ensure that it is very hygienic. So this is actually a sandwich that I ordered, and it's actually still hot. It's already been 15 minutes that I brought in. So this is gonna be my, I actually had some food before also, so this is not the only thing that I'm having. So sandwiches will go above 100 rupees, but less than 120 rupees, close to that. But they have multiple options. Of course, idli dosa, they have rice, they have roti, curry, all of that. Multiple options. So who come to Bangalore and you want to eat from a place that serves you very simple food, go for Asha Tiffins if you are near HSR layout. It's a very good place to have it, and a great price point as well.